Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 27 power 7 plus 27 power 7 plus 27 power 7 is equals to 3 power x, and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So first, as we know that 27 we can write it as 3 times 3 times 3, that is 3 cube. So we can write 3 cube plus whole power is 7. 3 cube whole power 7 plus 3 cube whole power 7 is equals to 3 power x. So according to exponent rule, x power m power n is equals to x power mn. So we can write this as 3 power 21 plus 3 power 21 plus 3 power 21 is equals to 3 power x. So if I'll take 3 power 21 as common, so what is left? 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to 3 power x. So 3 power 21 times 3 is equals to 3 power x. We can call it as. So according to exponent rule, x power m times x power n, we can write this as x power m plus n. So 3 power 21 plus 1 is equals to 3 power x. So 3 power 22 is equals to 3 power x. So if we compare both sides, the value of x is 22. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.